Hello guys, welcome back to Digi3. So today's topic will be how to share old stories from your own Instagram. So let's get started. So like if you have posted any pic a year ago or a month ago and you want to reshare that story on your timeline, you should click on your account. There is three dots over here, click on that. Click on archive and you can see that you have posted these many posts and videos on your story timeline, so you can pick any one and there is an option called share, reshare the archive story, and here it is. Like this you can share it on your wall. That's it. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.